Alright, this is video number 1 for Monday, and these are the pages that you're supposed to be working on only on Monday. Okay, on this section right here, we need to find the two addends that make up number 7. Okay. What two numbers can we add so that they can make up 7? Could be 3 plus 3. That would equals to 6. So that's not it. Let's try 4 plus 3. That equals to 7. So yes, that would work. 4 plus 3 equals 7. Now let's think about 9. What two numbers can we add that can make up the number 9? We know that 3 plus 4 equals 7, so that's not it. 4 plus 4 equals 8. That's not it, although we're close. 5 plus 4 equals 9. So that would be it. That would be the one that would work. 5 plus 4 equals 9. You do the other ones. Okay, remember that for the next pages all the way to 256, you must show your work. Show your work. Don't forget your strategies. Don't skip anything. You guys know how to do that.